Record on the computer. Yes, you're good to go. Your time starts now.
Oh.
All the best.
Yeah. So I hope my screen is, everybody is able to see my screen.
Yes, please.
Okay, alrighty then. So for the past 2 hours, I've been waiting for so long to present to you my presentation on champion of sales. I was getting a bit restless, it can be less of rest or being restless, but yes, the time has come for you to all become sales trainers. Or I can say that the trainer who will sell their product more effectively and efficiently in the times to come. So let's see. This will be your ultimate workshop to boost your selling skills. And why I say that is because most of you are new to this field. But let me tell you, all of you were and always salespeople. Let's see what I have in store for you. So the learning outcome first. Let's see the first learning outcome. It is to identify typical characteristics of successful salespeople. This is the first learning outcome I have for you. The second outcome would be to identify specific needs of the client and develop a sales pitch accordingly. So as ma'am told us, the sales pitch, a sales pitch is a salesperson's attempt to persuade their audience to buy or believe what they are offering. So this is what we'll be looking at and how you develop that, overcoming the fears factor. And fear, as you know, are false evidence appearing real. So don't fear, my dear. To demonstrate the ability of evaluating various objections of the client and apply the knowledge to handle them effectively. Yes, I gave you a TNA. Everybody filled in the TNA. And I'm so amazed that, the problem that you are facing is not necessarily that you have a product, but you have some issues while selling it. So let us see what the solution I can offer you. Let's see the next part. So right now, put on your thinking hats now. So let me see you all. Let me see how many of you. Okay. So put on a hat like this. Everybody should put on a hat like this, right? So let me see everybody. How do you say everybody? I don't know. Okay. So, but everybody must wear the thinking hats like this. And then what they have to do? Imagine that you're all wearing hats. Imagine the color. You have a choice of color. You can have a red. I prefer red. You can have a blue hat. Any hat. But this hat is different. The hat that all troubles you, this hat has all the troubles, all the unhappiness. So let the unhappiness go into that hat. Let it go. Let it feel heavy, but keep it like that. Keep it like that, please. Everybody just keep it like that. Hold on to your hat tightly. Hold on it. Then pick it up from your head. Pick it up from your head and throw it away. Throw it away. Throw it away. Every tension, just let it go. Let it go. Now all tensions and worries have gone, and you are now my sales executives ready to sell. Forget what you were before this training for the next 30, 35, 40, how much time it takes, but be my sales executives and you'll learn a lot from it. Right? Righty then. So welcome to the sales part. Let's see. So before I go further, let me just show you some stats that I've got from the training. So one of the questions that I asked you about selling skills for master trainer is 50% said it's difficult. So that's why this training is important, because you are all going to become master trainers, but everybody feels it's difficult, but it is not difficult. It is very, very easy. And let me say how it will be. Second question I asked was, in selling of sales, I find difficulty in what? So 35% says handling objections. Yes. 20% said also upselling techniques. So I'll focus on more on handling objections and then towards the upselling part. While selling a product, I know I will face objections. According to me, the most troublesome objection to handle is 35% say objection of price. So I'll take that thing in my presentation. So just focus on it and learn from it. Let's see. So let the journey begin. Answer this simple question now. In my training, you will be getting a lot of questions and you have to keep on, telling them on the chat window. So are you a salesperson? Please say yes or no. Let me see on the chat window what answers I'll get. Chat window, yes, no, please, yes, no, complete, no. Okay. So many no's. No, you are not my sales trainer then. Yes, I got from Harvey. Yeah, Nishikaka. Yes, you have got it. So you are my sales trainers. Let me come back to my share screen and let's see what I have got for the sales trainer. So for the, yes, you are. I'll give the reasons why. Why your sales trainers always, you're always a salesperson. One of you is a daughter who convinced a father for a beautiful dress or a pair of jeans to buy. Right? Yes or no? One of you is a student who persuaded his or her teacher into giving more marks. Yes, we all have done that. Everybody has done that at one point of time, my friends. And the third one, most suddenly, one of you has had a person whom you're convinced about. Nobody believed in your heart, but you were always sure of the product and his value. He will deliver every day, all roses every day, right? And each day would be special. So you are always a salesperson, right? So now that I've told you the reason, so you are the person, my friend. You, everybody of you are my sales trainers. You are my sales guys, or girls, or ladies. No, that's the girls only, right? So now for the fundamental question, one more. I know you. I know that who you are, but do you know me? So let me put another hat. So now this hat. So the fundamental, who am I? So I'll give you some hints. I am the person who makes your life difficult, very difficult. I'm the person who demands the impossible. I'm the person you're searching for. I'm the person who changes your mind often, very, and I may be anywhere, I may be nowhere, and I'm definitely somewhere. So any guesses who am I? I'll do a stop share right away and then see what are your answers.
Boss.
Okay.
You're my boss.
No. You have to give me the answer. Who am I? Who am I? Just continue.
Customer.
Who said that?
Customer.
Oh, clap for Dr. Ram. Yes, I am your customer. I am your customer. Let me come back to the your
My patient.
Oh, okay. So yes,
Kashta se mar, customer kashta se mar.
Mar. Yes, but you are my sales guys. You are my sales guys. So you guessed it right, my friend. I am the customer, the purchaser, the buyer, the client. I am the one you're searching for. I may be your God someday. So we are the customers. Let's go. So how to get me? Is it easy? Is it easy? Yes or no? Is it easy to get a customer? Yes or no? Yes or no? Continue. Yes or no? Yes or no? I know the answer is no for general public, but you are my guys and you have to get that customer. And let's see how to get it. The question is where to find me? Where am I? So I am
Everywhere.
an organization. I may be in an institution. A man on the street. Till the time you don't have the money from somebody's pocket, they are your potential customers. That's the mindset with which sales works. Sales people are looking for me all the time. You see, I may be hard to please, but I buy with these. If you convince me and work on the possibilities, right? So work on the possibilities and you will be able to get me. Go get an attitude, right? So how to get me? Let's see. The thing that I'm going to cover now. Till now, you have just enjoyed your way. Now the Python theory part, you need to learn some things also. So qualities of a salesperson. Power sales words. This is very good. Ability to ask questions. A salesperson needs to ask a lot of questions. He needs to be ready with the answers also, but he should be able to ask these questions quite often. Sales phrases. We'll look in some of the phrases. If the time permits, we'll go into detail also. And then the most important thing, मेरा sale होगा कि नहीं होगा, मेरे training तो बना लिया. I have done all the training part, but how to sell it? So ability to handle objections, my friends. So are you ready? Let's begin the show a bit. Okay, qualities of salesperson. So shoot me some qualities. Some qualities. Stop share here goes. Stop share. Let's see the answer. The quality. Just tell me one or two qualities of a salesperson. One or two qualities only. Only one or two. Anushka, yes.
Communication skill.
Communication skill is one. Yes. Somebody likes to know chat window. They can also.
I think you should be persuasive.
Very nice.
Negotiation skill.
Very nice. Okay, so let me see what are my answers then. What are my answers then?
Salesperson.
Okay, so a salesperson needs to have ability to convince. You are bang on. You actually understood the point. Then the curiosity part, this you have not listened. A salesperson needs to have a lot of, see, the difference between sales and marketing fundamentally is sales, the end product is the profit part. Marketing, the end result is the customer satisfaction part. So if a salesperson needs to have the ability to, want to achieve some targets, he has to be very, very curious. Ability to ask question, as I said, follow up and persistence. If the customer comes with inquiries, they need to be follow up quite regularly. Smile, because it takes you a long mile. Quick learner, ability to be adaptable, to learn new techniques, to understand what the customer wants, because the customer preferences change from time to time. Self-motivated, my friends. Ability to manage time. Yes, efficient management, because the efficiency increases if you handle time effectively. How you open your office, and then you go towards the part of calling people, what call needs what time preferences. I have not taken that part, but yes, in sales we have got a cold calling and warm calling and all these types of calling. In cold calling, basically you introduce a product to a person. You should not actually spend too much time on that. So like that, you need to make your time accordingly, right? So let's go further. Power sales word. Now this is most important, and want to note it down also, because a salesperson needs a lot of good vocabulary, a lot of sales phrases in order to make that impact factor, IMPACT factor. The first one is words which make them feel special. So everybody wants to feel special. The sweetest part of everybody, for everybody, is the name. So yeah, the name. From then you have, so in sales, what you can say, when you are selling a product in terms of training, I have discovered this very good technique of ours, which makes the performance level of the people go a bit higher. So use that word discover. New and trending. These are the words that make people very, very special. Open secrets, you and for you and for your benefit, for you or for your company's benefit, I have definitely designed this program. It will be useful any day, when we'll implement that, when we'll come to that, right? Exclusive, sir, it is right. It's just made for you. Anything that you work, and this will make, because the exclusivity is the first time I'm offering this to you, sir. And then I'll make it to the other companies as well. And only for a few valuable customers like you, valuable customers. These are the words to make them feel special. The second is confidence words. How to gain that confidence? How to gain that the guarantee, sir. I can guarantee that if this training is imparted to this select group of people, I can get 10% more performance levels at the end of the month, sir. Proven facts. It's a proven fact that when trainings are done in a controlled environment, and so we tend to get a lot of benefit out of it, sir. Right? Number one, sir, we will make you number, or we are the number one in this domain, in this field, in this area. Advantage, quality, standards. Please understand, when you are building on confidence, this is my guru tip. Okay, this is the tip that you will be able to help, because most of the seniors, but I just sharing my knowledge which I've gained. Mission statement and vision of a company. Always study that before approaching a customer, and try to correlate the vision and mission with the power sales word. You will be able to get the audience to you'll be able to gain the attention of the audience like that, right? And then your enrichment words. So you can use a word like choices, or the features, or the flexibility, or the opportunities it has. Sir, we are very fast and quick. So these are the words which are enrichment words, which adds value to the already confidence that you have built on, or the words to make them feel special, my friends. So enjoying this show? Yeah? Let's have a thumbs up then. Okay, let's go further. Thank you. So let's look at this thing. This is basically sales for increasing urgency. So use the word now, or hurry up, sir. This can be used in the calling as well, sir. This is for limited period offer, sir. This is something that the value that I'm bringing in, or the money that I've just do not mention the word money, but the financials that I've just told you, sir, it's exclusively for very limited period offer only. Running out, the offer is running out. It's fast. It's new. So these are the words for increase the urgency or for the potential customers. Let's see, how can we forget the word free? Free, 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 everything is free, okay? But how to use this word as free, you know? So the one way is sample. So let me give you a sample of what we'll do in the future, sir. So I'll give you a quick snapshot of what we are offering right now. Let you just see a 10 minutes presentation. If it's online, fine enough. If they give you the appointment, you go there, you take that 5 minute, 10 minute in a pen drive and tell them, sir, you can show this thing. You can see this thing in your laptop itself. Okay, so sample can be given. It's a trial offer. Okay, you do not want to give me the 4 presentations, you know, for the coming annual, but let me, you know, just try it out with me, and I'll give a very special trial offer. You can give this something as a gift also. Upgrade at no additional cost. If you promise a next year's presentation with our company also, I'll give you an upgrade at no additional cost with added benefits, and you list down those benefits. Downloads. So everybody is now into downloads. So ebook, if you can prepare and you can have those downloads with you. So this will also be very helpful. Snacks and refreshments. Yes, this you can incorporate in the training financials, and then you can go for the snacks and refreshment part. You can say that it is included, although you have charged it, but don't mention it separately. This will also work as a part of free. And so we are always here to consult on any different topics. I can of course come for the feedback any time of the year also. Right? So ideal salesman, ability to ask questions. Let's move further to ability to ask questions. So there are typically 3 questions that we have got, 3 different type of questions that you can ask from the potential customers. Fact finding questions. Okay. So you have it apart from the 5 W's and 1 H. These are the question which is direct to the point. Second is your feeling finding question, opinion. Sir, what do you think about this particular problem that you're facing right now, or generating questions and problem solving question. This is the most interesting part. You coin a problem, you give a solution. So you try to get the customers involved in your conversation. See, customers will only refuse if they have a chance of, you know, if they keep quiet, if they're just listening to you. So you need to find out the reason why, and you give them a problem. You give them a thing that, sir, I think the most important part in training is the content part. It's a no, I don't want the content. I want the, you know, activities to be there. Then you get an understanding that yes, the activities are more important. I must focus on activities more rather than going for the you know, content part. So you get what is going on in the mind of the customers. Let me see that in detail. So the fact finding question, some of the examples I can give you. It determines the needs and the facts. How often do you plan your trainings for employees? This is a direct questions. Could you tell me your training plan for the coming year, if they permit us? Can I know your specific training needs for employees? Or what kind of budget your company keeps for training? So these are the all direct questions which you can ask in the beginning of the presentation, and you may be more politer. You know, you can ask a direct question at what time, what venues you do in-house training, you offsite trainings. These are direct questions that you can ask to understand the training needs of the potential client. Then you have the feeling finding question, opinion generating question. Okay. So we want to know what opinion that customer has about certain things, because you see the customer is divided into 3 parts. Let me do a stop share and share some Guru Gyan. Okay. So all attention on me, please. 3 types of customers we have. One is your director. He will come, instruct you. You have to be logical. You have to come up with a solution. How can you say you are number 1? You give me the reason, this, that. He's a director. He is going to instruct you. Okay, sir. Very nice, sir. Everything is, sir, I'll give you the logic, and you be prepared with the facts and figures. Other customer is socializer. He like to talk, you know, general things, maybe personal, you know, what is going on in his life. Maybe how's the weather, how's the cricket, how's the politics, and then he'll come to a point. So in that case, you need to listen more. You need to give some time. And then when the time comes up, then small, sir. Okay, sir. Your knowledge, sir. Amazing, sir. Everything is so good, sir. Everything, you know, I must sit with you, sir. Anytime, sir, I must sit with you. I must learn, sir. What is your source? So you can try to, you know, influence that customer by appreciating them. And the third customer, you know, And there are many different types, but this third question is very much important. Is a thinker type, and most of you are. I am one of them. Go to a shopping mall and just think it over. Okay, should I take this? Should I not take this? Should I take this? So he will think it over. What you need to do with that customer? Follow up. Ask them time. He may be avoiding it, but he's just thinking it over. If the word comes up, I'm thinking it over. Understand, he might be able to buy if you follow them properly. So these are typically 3 different type of customers that you are encountering from day to day. Right, ma'am? Dr. Arupa, ma'am, how am I doing on time?
You're on the 20th minute.
Okay,
please.
okay, yeah. So what factors are personally more important to you while deciding on a training program? This is the feeling finding one. What did you like most about the last year's training seminar? What do you feel makes a training plan successful? So he will give you some points, added benefits on how, and then you can, from that feeling part, you can then derive your own way of making the presentation while on web or maybe offline also. And then you have the problem solve. This is the most interesting part. You give them a problem. It focuses on most important factor, which is on the mind of the client. So, Mr. Kumar, many of my clients tell me that training program are often not finished on time. Do you have the same problem? Yes, I have the same problem, but I also have this problem that yes, not many have more activities. They do not, feedback is not taken properly. I don't see ROI there. So they will give you some opinion, and that opinion is a clue in which you need to go further. Mr. Sharma, many of my clients have told me that trainings have become too theoretical. Does it bother you, sir? Yes, it does. So now, no content part, straight into this thing. So you can reply to these questions with solutions being already prepared at your end. So now comes the special sales phrases, right? So typically you start off a presentation with or a call with, good morning. I'm Piyush. I'm calling from this company. I have a very special offer for you, sir. So you tend to, start off their sales calls like that. We have a very special offer for valuable customers like you. So you can do that also. Apart from that, the sales phrases that I have brought in for your own benefit. I wonder if you could help me. I have a training program designed to. So I wonder if you could help me with whom should I contact, which I have purposely designed a training program for valuable customers like you. I'm offering a free training webinar on this thing. So can you please tell me who should I speak about that? So this rings a bell. Okay, free word, pally line. In the first line itself, you have the word free. So this rings a bell. I understand you're busy, sir. I know, sir, it's hard for you to take your time out. So what might be a good time to call you back? If the customer says, I don't have time, because time is money. So you have always got these interesting ideas. I would love to hear more. I think we might have some common. So you can appreciate them. You might have heard this person on the net, on the chat show, or you might have read about him. So give a reference point. And then from there, I might see that, we have some common goals, interests. Would you like to meet sometime this weekend? So this is an interesting sales phrase. On this note, I think this is a very good book, I'm not selling it right now, but this is a good book for you to understand perfect sales phrase for sales. Okay. So some of the things I've taken from this book. Some more phrases. What an excellent business you are in, sir. Can I know more about it? Can I have your card? Here, let me share your mind. I am into training sector also. So why you are doing that? Maybe the business is interesting, a startup, or maybe the company is small. In that case, you can use this kind of phrase. And you can then, can I have your card? So before you are giving yours, because we have tendency to, so this is my card, sir. Before that, you ask that from him, his card, and then you can share your, and from training sector you have. I have learned a lot about your company, sir. I like to hear more about what to do. You might have some common interest and goals, sir. So this is how you try to influence the customer. We really should get together. Would you like to be in my office sometime? So you invite them to your office. No, I can't come to that place. Okay, so can we have some common place that we can meet? Could I ask for a time appointment time from you, sir? This will be the level 2, level 3 part. So you can start with this, and then you can develop the vocabulary and phrases further. Handling objections. Now comes the handling objections part, and this is the part you need to focus on. The first objection of price. So how do you handle this thing? Let me do a stop share quickly, Any suggestions on chat window, or maybe unmute yourself? You can
Yes,
give
you
me.
can.
We can say it's negotiable. Negotiable.
Okay,
No,
it's negotiable. Okay.
price you can always counter with the value. What value you are giving. I
Yeah,
think
yeah,
that's the best way to.
Very nice. Thank you, Praveen sir. Anybody else also wants to say? Because with the price factor, don't worry about the price. If you have the content, the quality, the value that you want to bring to the customer, he will. And you can say, if they are comparing you with some other person, you say, sir, what value you are bringing in. If you are less experienced, like Anushka told in one of the this thing, that we are new. Yes, you are new. We don't know anything, and that's the best part, sir. Everybody who's in the industry doing the same thing so often, but we are new. We don't know anything, sir. Try us out. Let me give you a demo right away. Give me an hour's time, sir. I'll tell you what we can do with the bunch of 10 people. Give me any 10 people. So what that shows your confidence, how well you have researched your product, how well you know your product. Always remember the person you have chosen and how valuable that person is, and you will know what I'm talking about. That objection of quality. So how to handle objection of quality? The best way to handle quality is how much research you have done. You influence the customer by the profile of the trainer, as we have been told quite often to make a profile and to influence that. So we can of course go for the quality, and I'll just share you an example of what I did when I told you the voice message, and then the video message, and then the poster, because I just inverted those things. Everybody was doing the same thing, so I did a bit different. So you got onto it. Okay, yes, what is it that he's doing next? What is it? So that is the curiosity part. Variety. When you don't have variety, you say that you are focused on that particular training program more. And once you master that training program, then you will further diversify into different fields. So that objection can be taken up like that. If you have variety and that person says that, okay, how can you be so? So give them some testimonials of the background of the training. Now, one of the objections that come from a director kind of a consumer is, I know it all. You don't know anything. I know everything. You know what industry you're talking about, what price you're bringing in. Sir, what knowledge, sir? Sir, I must sit with you, sir. You are great, sir. You are the person whom I was searching for. What is your knowledge for, sir? Please share me the book. Please share me the book, sir. That book will be the book for me to understand how to, go further in this field, sir. I am just new, sir. I am just new. So try to underplay. Objection, I don't have time. So what's the convenient time at which we can talk? Don't worry. When they say I don't have time, they are just saying you are new to me. I don't know you. So tell them, sir, I am getting to know things. And what is the convenient time at which I can talk? Then we can probably, I will be giving you value for whatever time you will give me. I know that's valuable also. Objective facts and figures. So be ready with that. A lot of research you need to do before you go for presentations. So facts and figures, like how much data you will improve on, how much impact it will have on the people around you. So that ways you can do for facts and figures, right? So with that, you understood how to handle objections. I'll do a stop share quickly. Now we are all going for a training activity, right? So, right, you are all ready? Can I all see you on the screen?
Yes.
Can I all see you on the screen?
Yes.
Unmute, not unmute, sorry. So come on the screen. Okay, so let's do a quick activity. Okay, quick activity. Raise your hand, raise your hand. Raise your hand, all of you. Yeah. Raise right hand. Keep the left hand below. Okay, right hand only. I hear. Say it with me. I hear.
I hear.
Unmute, please. Harvey, Nimi, everybody unmute. Huh?
I hear.
I forget.
I
I forget. I see.
I see.
I believe.
I believe.
But when I do.
But when I do,
I
I know.
I understand.
Okay.
Today, when you don't know
understand.
what you are doing, you will not get it, my friends. Baba Ramdev कहते हैं करने से ही आता है. Right? Let's go into share screen and understand what the things are, my friends. So, अरे भाई क्यों नहीं चल रहा? Very nice. So training activity. So can somebody read it? Christine, ma'am, please.
Make a sales proposal pitch of a training program using 5 words from Power Sales Work. Think over at least 2 objections you might have to face during the presentation and how to
overcome them. That's the most important part. Thank you, ma'am. You have 7 minutes for this activity. And now take a screenshot of this. You all have the power words right now. And let me take you to the, okay, screen sharing has stopped. Breakout rooms. This is new for me. Very, very difficult part. Deepaji, okay, this is, so I can change the person from this to that, now move to this. No, I will not do this. I will not do this. Then, okay. Options. Okay. Breakout room close automatically after how many minutes? 7 minutes. Notify me when the time is a countdown.
Close automatically after 30 seconds you can keep, but time limit you can keep 7 minutes.
Set countdown timer, ma'am.
Countdown timer is 30 seconds you can
Okay.
keep.
Breakout room close automatically after 7 minutes, right, ma'am?
Okay, done.
Yeah. Okay. Options. Okay, then. Okay. Now I have to click on open all rooms, right?
Yes, please.
Yeah. You feel like God, na, doing all these things, man. सबको क्लास से बाहर निकाल दिया सब, and then asking them to come back. But it's not like that. You are all going into a different classroom, right? So open all classrooms. Just for your knowledge, you know. Okay, time is less, so your 7 minutes starts now.
किनारे वाले कार्ड भेजा ना लीला भाई.
We didn't get any notification, Piyush.
You didn't get? Okay.
नहीं, we got it, madam.
Okay, I didn't get. That's why I was wondering.
Maybe you're out of class.
No. I'll do that once again, ma'am. Please. I think I'm got confused with this. So just a minute. Just a minute, ma'am. Acha, ek minute. I will. Everybody will come back now. Just give me a moment.
We are not gone anywhere to come back.
Okay, I'm doing it again. I'm doing it again.
What happened?
Just a minute, sir. Just.
Okay.
So, you go to options.
So
7
breakout
minutes.
time should be 6 minutes.
No. I'm doing it again. Sorry, I'm doing it again, sir. I got carried away. I got carried away. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
I thought you give us 7 seconds instead of 7 minutes.
No. Okay.
You put 30 seconds there and 7 minutes needs.
आपने तो 7 minutes के लिए निकाला था हमें.
I think few haven't got the notification, Piyush.
I think few people have gone. Means only 1 or 2 are left. 10 are left.
Okay, if you go to the breakout rooms, you can see people not assigned. So manually drag them and shift them to some rooms, please.
Some room, ma'am.
Yeah, in any room.
Okay,
Like
Dr. C.S. Rao, you have not been assigned a room, right? Or Sebastian, sir, just give me.
Yes, Piyush, don't worry. I am here. I am in the main room only.
Okay.
Or otherwise, we can
wait here. No problem.
consider this as one room also. No problem. To save time.
Okay, I am there. I am going to the breakout room.
Okay, Rupa ma'am has taken the screenshot, I think.
Yeah. So all are in room now. One. All fine.
All fine.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Power words.
You want the words, is it?
No, we have the words, and what the word?
Actually, we have to stick to the same words. We can.
Nothing to worry. If it is wrong, he will explain.
Yeah.
It's good to be wrong, no? Then you learn.
Piyush, the power of
The words are just indicative. Okay.
The
words are just indicative. You can use probably some different words. What I
Yes.
want is you do it 5 or 4 different categories of it.
Yes,
Like you are
yes.
introducing for a sales pitch. Okay.
Yeah, fine. Yeah.
Okay. Can we say the power of change? Something like that? The power of change.
For our training.
Yeah.
Power of okay.
Power of change. When a person
Okay. Hello. Yeah, we are,
Yes,
ma'am.
Piyush.
Yeah, you have come out of the room, ma'am, right?
Yeah,
Okay.
we are in the main session.
You are the main session.
Yeah.
So how was it, ma'am?
Going fantastic.
Going fantastic. Okay.
You know so much about this subject.
I mean, see, I just wanted to, include more things, but the only thing was when I rehearsed, once or twice, I saw that, content is getting very heavy, so I brought it down. I
Okay.
purposely did not give any theoretical part, just, the activity part. So I just 1, 2, 3 activities and then this activity. So it
Nice.
keeps them on that roller coaster ride, okay, ye karna, and then suddenly, the thing stops. So it's just fun part, so that's how I designed it.
It's very
I hope
nice.
they like it. I mean, let's see the feedback.
No, I could see many people nodding, smiling, enjoying.
That's more important. Let me go to ma'am third room. Let's see what they are doing.
Yeah, please go.
Disposal.
We are a panel of trainers, and our chairman and managing director is Piyush Srivastava.
Oh my God.
And the name of it is Srivastav and co-trainers.
No.
Yes.
So I hope everything is fine. I'm just here to check on. This is very
Yes,
good.
everything is fine.
Floating from one area to another. Very nice.
You have charged us so good. We are
Exactly.
into a very
Name of the company is Srivastav and Srivastav.
Srivastav and Srivastav. Wow. Srivastav and Srivastav. Taruna ma'am, quickly, 1 minute.
Actually, pata hai, beginning mein I thought you both are brothers or somehow related to each other.
All
Piyush.
Srivastavs are brothers, ma'am. From somewhere you will get that thing.
Even Amitabh Bachchan is Srivastav, na?
Yes,
Amitabh Bachchan is also Srivastav.
Yes.
So is Bachchan.
No,
One
Bachchan is
minute.
not.
No. Bachchan
1
is
minute
father.
left. So Taruna ma'am, quickly.
So we have
You're on mute.
I've gone in 3 different groups. So now I'll be staying here. They'll come back in a minute's time.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. Girish
Yeah.
has not gone into a room.
Maybe he has 2 logins. I'm not sure.
Okay.
So we are reaching the 40 minutes.
So can I, ma'am, try my luck in this industry after some time?
Are you 100%? Why the doubt?
Okay, ma'am, close now. Kar दूं क्या? It's just showing time is up for 7 minutes. Close now. So I should do close now?
Close. Yeah, close.
Now everybody's back. So welcome back, my friends. I hope you had a very wonderful, time out breakout session. You really enjoyed your time.
Yes.
Okay, with the friends and IITD family members. So let's start right away with room number 1. So who would like to begin from room number 1?
40 minutes up.
Yeah. Room number 1.
Yes, our Power Pack word was exclusive.
Okay.
and we would like to pitch the sales by saying it's exclusively for you.
Okay.
It is exclusively designed for the people like you.
Okay. Okay. And how did you handle the objections part? Objections part, sir? CS Rao, sir?
Yes.
Objections part. Objections.
Objections part. No.
Okay, you have not done.
I did not get you.
I'm just saying that you had to do a sales pitch plus 2 of the objections, that how you need to handle those objections.
By giving guarantee to them, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Right.
By giving guarantee of getting out assured quality things there.
Excellent, ma'am. Thank you.
Yes.
Let's clap for group number 1. Very nice. Now, group number 2.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Our pitching word is transformations. Our training program
excellent,
is,
sir. Excellent.
Okay, power of everlasting transformation is the training program. The first and foremost challenge what we are facing is how many training program you are conducted as a part of the transformations. We will be positioning, we did a training for leading doctors, lead engineers, and the professionals who attended the training programs. And so those transformations what we have made in this training program is our experience. Second one, what is the price part? Price part, whatever position we say, when I made the transformation for the engineers and doctors, those testimonials are my value, how I can able to create a transformations.
Yes,
so that is a sales pitch.
Thank you, sir. Excellent, sir. Excellent. Group number 3, please.
Yeah, I'll go.
Yeah.
So we have our sales pitch. We are a training company, Srivastava and Srivastava, with our chairman, Dr. Praveen Srivastava. We are we are here exclusively for you, and we offer 24/7 service pan India. We have a wide range of expert trainers from different backgrounds, and we are to cater your needs, to cater your varied needs, and we are having customized training for you for your particular area of concern, and with very high ROI, that is return on investment.
Great. Excellent. Let's clap for group number 3.
And
excellent.
So elaborate.
Yeah.
Okay, and as far as objections are concerned, if there is an objection on price, then we can counter with the value. So we can say that we at this price, we are providing you much more as compared to the competition. And the second objection would be, it is if there is a objection on the quality, then what we can say, we have a pan-Indian network. So at any point of time, if you have any issue, we are there to resolve your query. So these are the counter.
Thank you, Praveen sir. Thank you, bro. Always a valuable comments from sir. Then let's move. Let's clap for them and move to group number 4, the last one, but not the least.
Yeah. So we are a training company, and what we are going to offer, this is the training, and it is free for your in-house trainers. It's a research-based training, highly experienced trainers who are very flexible. And we have power with international standards. So you will save a dash amount of rupees, and you will really profit with this. Now the objections would be no slots available. But since we are giving you free, so you will make slots for us. Next, in-house trainers. The cost of in-house trainers. So we will basically train your in-house trainers. So definitely we are the number 1. So you should take us. So that's it.
Very nice. Excellent. Very nice. So all the groups have contributed and actually learned that when you are learning something, there are 4 levels to it. The first level is 0 level, when you are told that what you need to do. Level 1 of learning is when you do something different. Level 2 is when you master the art of how you do it differently. And the last part is when you all become the trainers. So you have all become trainers, selling your product wisely and efficiently. Thank you all, ma'am. That's it, ma'am. Thank you.
Presentation. May I please request Kaustav to give his feedback?
I hope my bandwidth is okay. Piyush, well, that was a master class in terms of the huge amount of content and so much you taught in terms of sales in 40 minutes. That's fantastic. The whole breadth of the stuff that you taught us in terms of what it is, that itself, sales itself is such a big thing. It is a subject that covers months and months of training, but you have really beautifully condensed all that, all the major parts of it, and explaining that everyone is actually a salesperson. You just don't think that you are salesperson by designation. Everyone is. Even a doctor is a salesperson in that sense.
Yeah.
So to that extent, and teaching us some simple concepts in a very interesting and very entertaining way, the way you conducted it was fantastic. Wonderful.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for the feedback, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Kaustubh.
Great job.
Dr. Sunita, ma'am, may I please request you to give your feedback?
I was just starting to type for Piyush. Thing was that it was for somebody like me, a doctor who never gets a chance to sell herself. It was a once of a lifetime training for me about sales. So it is not going to help me only in my training business or coaching enterprise, but also in my hospital. I feel that. Now the thing about your presentation style, the content part was like a very practical thing. The different types of words that you came up with for a sales pitch, the feeling words and all the various categories. So that was a very practical thing, which we can really imbibe and start applying. And you made us practice it in the activity session. So it was really a hands-on training. You are a master trainer already, I know that. And I think a few points I'm going to ask you personally also. Okay. Give me some training. And another thing which was very important was about the part about handling objections.
Yeah.
That is a very important thing which we learned today. I just want to mention one thing which I think you are not aware of because we are seeing you from here. There is about your positioning and the lighting which is there in your surroundings. Something is being reflected continuously on your glasses as you move up and come back forth. See that round light is reflecting. So sometimes your eye contact is not established, or what you are trying to convey from your expression that did not come out. Otherwise, it was really a learning. I think one of the part of the IATD training only you have covered.
Yes, 100%.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Please. Thank you for coming from ma'am. Thank you, ma'am, very much.
I celebrate what I am. There is a poster which says I celebrate what I am at the back.
Yeah.
So I think that is befitting for you today. You really celebrate what you are today.
Thank
Piyush,
you. Thank you so much.
thank you very much. It was wonderful because you told us how to sell ourselves.
Yeah.
Because we have to sell our presentation and other things. Yeah. And I feel you can sell ice to Eskimos.
Oh,
excellent, sir. Excellent.
Just like to add.
Thank you so much.
Piyush, I totally enjoyed it.
Profession. So we are paid to influence the customer by talking only. So it's the communication skills we day in and day out teach to our students. So this comes naturally. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Piyush, I totally enjoyed it. It was amazing.
The tone modulation. The best part was the tone modulation.
Yes.
It was like a pep talk, the pep talk we listen, no?
Yeah.
Like that.
Very good modulation.
And the most important thing was he was stopping the screen share, writing the chat box, then starting the screen share. It was so spontaneous and so energizing. It was
a
lot of engagement.
A musical way of talking, musical way of talking. Really
very natural.
Can I do one motivational activity with all of you?
Yeah,
sure.
Let me just give my impressions and then we will do it. Right? So Piyush, you're looking extremely professional. The whole setup and the getup made you look very, very professional.
Yeah.
And you have a very unique style, Piyush. The way you talk, the way you pronounce certain words, you have a very, very unique style. So please retain that. It's like a brand. It's like a personal brand, something that sets Piyush apart from the others. Beautiful activity that you did in the beginning. You made us hold on towards the hat, and then we threw away all the unhappiness that is troubling us. That was very nice. It's like a release in the beginning of the activity. Just throw away all your thoughts and now focus on my presentation. It was that kind of an attitude that you gave. Extremely good. You had sent a survey, is it, to everybody, like a Q&A?
Yeah.
Very, very professional. Very, very professional that you actually did it, and you were reading out the percentages, the kind of responses that you got for your individual questions. Superbly professional. You had the whole thing customized to this audience. From what I gathered, Piyush, you yourself are a very, very convincing person. You are able to convince people. That is your special quality. And you convinced us that we are all salespeople, because many of us wrote no, no, no. And then you said, even if you have done this, you're a salesperson in your life. Excellent.
I just thought about this activity while coming back from the office. Okay, what to add next, what to add next. And suddenly I just got this brainwave, you know, okay, let's add this thing. So
very nice, very nice. And you won all the ladies' hearts, sir. By the way, you called us all girls. So you had the ladies with you today, okay? And lots of humor. You have that streak in you. You are a very, very humorous person. Please, that's your strength. So please improve on that. And very interactive with the audience. And you have a way with words. There's something very nice, something very special about you. And the power sales word, that particular slide, that was a fantastic tip. In fact, your entire presentation is a fantastic tip to all the traders over here. In fact, you sales itself, but now you've equipped everybody. You know, you've made them all familiar with the sales aspect. And you see, you know the subject thoroughly, in and out. Yeah. So actually, I feel that you would possibly do justice in a full day workshop. Than in a 40-minute presentation. You know so much about this subject. So maybe one day if you can take a special session for your batchmates, I think it would do them a world of good. If you give much more information. I know you in 40 minutes you cannot tell everything. A fantastic presentation, Piyush. I really, really enjoyed it, and I was smiling all the way, looking at the way you were using some words. Very beautiful presentation. Only one thing which I wanted to tell was very minor thing.
Yeah.
You were just changing the slides too fast. So for me, I was the sentences were coming in a transition, right? So by the time I was reading some sentences, the other one used to come. So
I thought about that, ma'am, but the time was less, so that's the reason I was doing it. But yes, I understand that was those were going very fast. Yeah, I understand that.
Yeah. That is the only thing. Otherwise, it was a fantastic presentation. So hats off to you. Big round of applause to Piyush. Very nice. You wanted to tell something to us?
Dr. Rupa, he already sold himself. He's the best. He got.
Sir, your energy was like Vivek Bindra.
Oh, thank you, ma'am. Thank you. See, things are very simple to do. You know, if we keep the energy level high in any type of training, anything that we are doing, the things will be, you know, going across to the audience. And when I took few of the corporate workshop for some, you know, school teachers also, for some MBA graduates also, I just, you know, experimented with certain things, which I did today also. But there we need to be very professional. So I can't go to beyond an extent because I'm a professor, you know, I need to be in that zone. But I keep on thinking on those lines. So if you just think on those lines and try to, you know, bring a little bit of it, things will become better. Thank you, ma'am, for the feedback. So can I do that activity before we go? I have just 1 minute time.
Okay. If everybody is ready.
If everybody is. It's in Hindi right now. It's in Hindi, okay? Sure. So it is done for motivational purposes. Okay, so people who don't understand, just follow me. I'll explain you what it is, okay? It's very, very simple. All of you unmute yourself. Unmute, okay? Yes. So, सोचेंगे ऐसे बोलना आपने सोचेंगे तो उठेंगे
सोचेंगे तो उठेंगे
उठेंगे तो चलेंगे चलेंगे तो दौड़ेंगे दौड़ेंगे तो पहुंचेंगे जब सोचेंगे तब पहुंचेंगे That's the final one. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Tell us in English, please.
It's very simple. When I think, you know, then only I'll get up. When I'll get up, I'll walk towards my goal. Then I'll walk. Then I can run. And if I run, only then I can reach my goal. So it all begins with a thought. If I have a thought, I have a vision, I can reach my goal. That's the bottom line. That's the translation of this 5-6 sentences.
Okay, कल पहुंचो please मेरे session में please पहुंचो.
Tomorrow it is Christine and who else?
And Anandita.
Anandita, now.
Anandita, you are ready? Is it for tomorrow? Is she here?
I think mostly she is. Yes.
Yeah, she is ready.
Okay. Fantastic. So yes, Piyush.
Ma'am, can I do the recording part? Stop it now.
Please stop.